Okay, today we're going to put the sink together. I got it from Costco, and it was 50 bucks off, so I couldn't pass it up. And it's even got the NSF certification. So it's got the sink, the faucet, the drain, and everything included in one package. And this is going to be a vegetable prep sink. This is the drain. We'll put that aside for now. Got this weird fabric bag over this thing. Look at that. It's already put together. Put this aside. Okay, these legs are better than the other ones I got for the table. They've got the floor levelers are made out of metal. The other one is plastic. I've had them break once in a while. So. So that's it, the legs are on. It's even got the NSF sticker. Like a long set of threads. Okay. So we take this off. This will go under the sink. And it came with two gaskets or washers. This is a rubber gasket. This will stay on top of the sink, the black one. And the white one we'll put underneath. And this reduces the friction for when we're spinning this thing on. Can you see this? Okay. So this is usually just strap this in. I put the washer on and the tightener. Okay, now the last thing we have to do is put the drain in. So we're going to keep the rubber gasket up on top. And it came with this little piece of cardboard which will reduce some friction on the bottom for the tightener.
Ready.
Now we're just going to put this on the bottom. Getting. Alright, the drain's in. And that sink is done. We're just going to put it in the truck now.